Now, something that you'll encounter a lot when you're working with GIS data is you've got to send your file that you've made to somebody else. In this case, you've made a file and you need to submit it for grading on D2L. So we've been using shapefiles, and sending somebody a shapefile is a little bit difficult to do, and you have to be careful. So I want to send this roads clip file. So I see roads underscore clip, that's SHP. So that's my shapefile. As you recall, a shapefile is not just that single file. That only contains the geometry of your file. It doesn't contain the attribute table, doesn't contain information about the projection, and so forth. So what I want to do when I want to send somebody that is I got to send everything that's associated with that shapefile. So if you look at the base name, so roads underscore clip .dbf.prj.spn.spx, you have to send them all of this stuff. So every single file from here to here. Now I could attach that to an email. But the most convenient way to do this is to actually zip this up, to compress it into a single file and send that to somebody. And that's what I want you guys to do for your assignment. So I'm going to go into File Explorer, Windows File Explorer, not Arc Catalog. And I'm going to select all these files just like I've done. So I click on the top one, go down to the bottom one, hold the Shift key, click again, and it selects the whole set of files. Then I'm going to use the mouse, the right mouse button. And we've installed something, this is not normally with Windows, something called 7-zip that will create a zip file. So that's a free download if you don't have it on your home machine or somewhere else. And I'm going to use it, I'm going to right click and select its submenu to create a raster vector.zip file. And that's going to compress all those into a single file. I don't want your whole folder. I don't want a bunch of other stuff. I just want your roads underscore clip or with a single shape file. So I'm going to add that to raster vector.zip. See a little dialog as it does it. And then I see this roads clip file. It's about 49K. So that's the file that you want to send to me and post on D2L. So that's how to create a zip file from your shapefile and submit it for a grade. Good luck.